Today we'll talk about how can you delete your account on your Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on security in settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, then you click here on delete account. When just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you give them here the reason and you click here on search, then it's going to delete with you. So that's all you have to do to delete your account. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.